Most wireless CarPlay adapters sold today are overpriced junk that just can't keep up. A wrong pick can drain your stereo budget and leave you stranded on road trips. Ever dealt with laggy connections or skipped music in the middle of a drive? This guide will help you pick a reliable wireless CarPlay adapter without the guesswork. Today, I'm going to be going over the best wireless CarPlay adapter that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Jemluse Wireless CarPlay Adapter. Designed for drivers who crave wireless CarPlay without replacing their wired infotainment, this adapter promises quick auto-connect and reliable everyday use. Ideal for commuters and families who value seamless navigation, hands-free calls, and music without the tangle of USB cables. Our CarPlay is only compatible with wired Apple CarPlay car systems, enabling universal compatibility across many models without requiring factory upgrades. The hardware resides within a 5.0 ultralight aluminum alloy dongle featuring a compact form that resists heat and accidental drops. The enclosure uses premium brushed finish and a rugged chassis designed for repeated handling and long-term reliability in varying temperatures. Its compact dongle weighs almost nothing and remains discreet in the glove box, ensuring zero dashboard clutter while driving. Inside, an 8-core processor works with 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and 5.3 Bluetooth to boost data throughput. The system claims 40% faster transmission compared with older models, enabling quicker map loading, smoother playback, and responsive Siri interactions. Build quality includes an antioxidant-resistant black 7-amp chip, engineered to withstand temperature swings from freezing to tropical heat. In real-world testing, the device auto-connects within seconds of ignition and maintains a stable wireless CarPlay connection across long drives. Navigation, music, and calls stream smoothly with minimal latency, while on long trips the heat-managed aluminum casing remains comfortable to touch. Online upgrades plus a sophisticated UI ensure ongoing enhancements, practical improvements, and a more polished experience without removing the car's original infotainment. Compared with the Rove Vista, the Jemluse offers faster auto-connect, stronger heat management, and a sleeker aluminum design. The pros include fast auto-connect, durable aluminum alloy construction, efficient heat dissipation, seamless plug-and-play setup, and consistent online upgrades. The cons include limited wired CarPlay compatibility and a premium price relative to basic plastic adapters, which may deter budget buyers. At number 4, we have the Teeran Wireless CarPlay Adapter. Initial impressions set a clean expectation with a discreet profile and plug-and-play practicality for daily drivers. This product targets families and commuters who juggle iPhone and Android devices and desire a seamless wireless CarPlay experience. No app is required and pairing happens quickly via Bluetooth, delivering an instant upgrade for anyone tired of cables. A premium brushed aluminum shell lends durability and a high-end look that remains cool to the touch in normal use. The ultra-compact design sits flush with the USB port and dramatically reduces visible clutter inside the cabin. The package includes both USB-A and USB-C extension cables to adapt to hidden or angled ports across car interiors. The internal wireless core uses a dual-band architecture operating across 2 frequency bands to speed up pairing and stabilize streams. Compared to Brand X's wireless CarPlay adapter, the Teeran shows faster reconnection and broader vehicle compatibility. The pros include 2-in-1 wireless CarPlay and Android Auto support, ultra-compact flush fit, and 3-second auto reconnect. The cons include premium price and compatibility check required for your exact car model. In real-world testing, the Teeran maintains stable connections across a wide range of vehicles with maps and music streaming staying in sync. Thermal design vents keep the unit cool during long drives and protective features prevent overheating or voltage surges. Across the board, Teeran offers compatibility with over 1,000 models and strong performance without dragging down cabin aesthetics. At number 3, we have the iGENJUN Wireless CarPlay Adapter, a compact upgrade designed to seamlessly convert wired CarPlay. The standout feature is a revolutionary miniaturized design that slots into the USB port almost invisibly while maintaining sturdy construction. Its low profile reduces visual clutter and pocket-friendly portability, supporting clean aesthetics without compromising port access or cable management. Plug-and-play operation requires no complex configuration, and after initial Bluetooth pairing it automatically reconnects upon ignition for a frictionless daily routine. Equipped with a 2.4 GHz plus 5 GHz dual-band chipset delivering improved throughput and near-zero latency. Advanced thermal management with side venting keeps temperatures significantly cooler than sealed rivals, preserving performance during extended use. An ergonomically tapered backplate provides a snug vibration-resistant fit across vehicles with USB ports of different depths. Rigorous testing exceeding 500 hours under simulated vibration environments validates its stability, ensuring reliable CarPlay performance even on rough road surfaces. Compatibility focuses on factory-wired CarPlay and supports 98% of models, delivering broad appeal for many mainstream vehicles. Not compatible with aftermarket or non-CarPlay systems, the adapter strictly targets factory-wired CarPlay for predictable software support and safety. In real-world testing, the device delivers rapid connection upon ignition and maintains stable streaming across music, maps, and calls. In direct comparison to the Belkin Wireless CarPlay Adapter, the iGENJUN delivers faster auto reconnect and cooler operation, improving everyday usability. The pros include a compact design that reduces clutter in the dash, seamless fast auto reconnect, and reliable dual-band performance across environments. The cons include limited compatibility to factory-wired CarPlay only and a potential reliance on ignition for automatic reconnection in some scenarios. At number 2, we have the Apple CarPlay Wireless Adapter. From the moment you unbox it, the compact form feels purpose-built for minimizing dashboard clutter and appealing to drivers who crave simplicity. The target audience includes daily commuters, rideshare professionals, and enthusiasts who want wired CarPlay converted to wireless across iPhone 6 through the latest iPhone models running iOS 10 Plus. The housing uses a dark finish with a robust shell and braided cable designed to resist daily wear and heat while maintaining a discreet footprint. Its size is intentionally compact, so it tucks under the dash and leaves plenty of space for other devices. 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi module handles fast auto connect and minimizes interference with surrounding electronics. Plug and play is truly straightforward. Plug into USB and USB-C, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on the phone, and let the dongle take care of pairing. The system retains the car's original controls, including steering wheel buttons, knobs, and touchscreen commands, preserving familiar usability. With the upgraded dual-core chipset, performance remains smooth and responsive with virtually zero lag during navigation and voice prompts. In real-world testing, it delivered stable GPS guidance and crisp sound quality without noticeable compression or drops. We observed rapid auto reconnect after engine start and stable connections during long drives, indicating solid reliability. It requires a model year 2016 or newer car with an OEM wired CarPlay system and supports iPhone 6 through the current iPhone releases. The design remains discreet and durable with heat dissipation tech and a braided cable that resists wear while avoiding dashboard clutter. Compared to a leading CarPlay adapter from CarLinkit, the Apple CarPlay Wireless Adapter delivers quicker initial connection and more consistent wireless performance. The pros include easy setup, preserves OEM controls, and fast auto connect. The cons include not Android compatible and premium price. At number 1, we have the OTTOCAST 2026. For drivers seeking a simple wireless CarPlay upgrade, this compact dongle promises plug-and-play ease, minimal setup, and daily reliability. It feels like a tiny cube that disappears into the dashboard, yet remains easy to grip and quick to unplug. This audience includes daily commuters and road trippers who value reliability, minimal fiddling, and seamless transitions between devices. The build embraces a premium brushed finish with sculpted grooves that improve grip while pulling the unit from the port. Its dimensions keep dash clutter minimal and avoid obstruction to vents, cables, or other essential controls during routine car use. The housing stays cool under operation and remains securely seated, reinforcing confidence during long drives and multiple hot start cycles. A dual-band chipset supports 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, delivering stable connections across varied vehicle Wi-Fi ecosystems. The adapter handles both CarPlay and Android Auto wirelessly, enabling seamless handoffs and preserving touchscreen, voice control, and steering wheel commands. Two Phones memory stands out by recalling both devices and reconnecting within a tight 5 to 8 second window. In everyday testing, the system reconnected reliably after starting the car and resumed streaming with negligible lag under typical highway conditions. However, it does not support YouTube or Netflix playback and can feel warm during extended sessions, which is within tested safety margins. OTA upgrades ensure the unit stays current, and AutoCast offers 2 years of support to address issues and improve compatibility. Compared with AutoCast's older MiniCube 3.0, this model adds dual-band capability and memory for 2 phones during daily use. The pros include plug-and-play simplicity, memory for 2 phones, and robust dual-band connectivity across networks. The cons include limited compatibility with certain vehicles such as BMW and Tesla, and the lack of streaming apps like YouTube or Netflix.